I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the CAMECO brand, their 10,000 milligrams per hour O3 ozone generator with remote control, which is unique. What's nice is you could start it off and not be near the device, and it has batteries that are included. This nice little, really high quality thick, so that you can put on a door, do not enter, or purification complete. And the power cord, 120 volts, it plugs into the back and the unit itself. It gets great customer ratings, and it is EPA registered device. Has cellular discharge technology. It increases the ozone release by about 20%, which is a stronger ozone on here. Let's just take a look at the unit itself. It's really nice because it's not that large, yet that produces a heavy amount of ozone. And you can see it has an indicator light we're going to show you, and a manual ability to change the timer up to 120 minutes, 2 hours. And it has rubberized feet on the bottom, which is great for stability. And there is the AC input, and there is a fan right there to help circulate the ozone. Now if you look closely right there, there is a fuse, and if you pop the fuse you can easily replace it. In the instruction manual they do have a sheet, and it talks about the fuse. It's 2 amps, and they give you the size right there, which is nice. So most of the time you won't pop that fuse. So if you ever had an ozone machine, they're great. This one has a really nice leather type handle on here with the stainless steel. And this is the first one I reviewed that has the remote, so we're going to be testing that out. And you could use this in your car, in your home, in your basement. These are great. Sometimes you have mold in your basement from a storm or moisture, and the most effective way to get rid of it is using ozone. So if you look right here, you can see the ozone plate right inside there, and that's where the electronics is, the higher voltage, and causing that ozone action on the air. Let's take the batteries and put it in the remote, and let's give this a try. Here I have the unit plugged in the back, and I want to point out that there is a hold button right there. So if you go counterclockwise, the indicator comes on and it'll just do ozone directly. You can instantly smell it. Then you have the manual timer on there, and it's a mechanical timer. It'll count down, and you can turn it off anytime you want. Now I have the remote here. I got the batteries inside, and when you hit the remote, there is a little red LED that comes on over there. So what's nice is this is not an infrared. You don't have to point it at this. This could be at any angle because it's a radio signal. So you just hit the on off right there, and the unit comes on, and then you can check the time, 15, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. See that little pause in there? It lets you know that you actually have functioned the timer on there. Then you hit the off button right there. Very simple to use. I love the remote so that you could have this in the room and be 15, 20, 30 feet away and actually engage the ozone. And this is lightweight, and you can see the profile of this is nice and small, so that you could use it effectively and store it quite easily. So I'm impressed with this. It works really well. It's got strong ozone. The remote's pretty amazing. I love the handle on here, very balanced, stays put. Manual controls, if you were to lose the remote, you could fully operate this. I love the indicator on there, so you know when you're sending out ozone. And again, ozone will clean many different things: smoke, pet odors, mold in your basement, anywhere you want to get rid of something. Just make sure that you don't have people around there or pets, and you air it out for about an hour afterwards, and you'll be all set. So I'm impressed with this product. It looks like it's really well designed. So I'm going to give the CAMECO brand this 10,000 milligrams per hour ozone generator with the remote. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.